Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with First Tech Federal Credit Union, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by understanding the importance of budgeting.
Identify your monthly income from all sources.
List your fixed expenses, such as rent and utilities.
Next, categorize your variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment.
Use a budgeting tool or app provided by First Tech Federal Credit Union for easier tracking. Create a spreadsheet if you prefer a more hands-on approach. Input your income in the designated section. Under your expenses, separate fixed and variable costs for clarity.
Calculate your total expenses and subtract this from your income. Examine the difference to see if you have a surplus or deficit. If you have a surplus, consider saving or investing that amount. In case of a deficit, review your variable expenses for possible cuts. Stay realistic about your spending habits while making adjustments. Set financial goals to help guide your budgeting process.
Create a plan to pay down debt if applicable. Allocate a portion of your budget for an emergency fund.
Review your budget monthly to ensure you remain on track.
Adjust categories as necessary based on changing circumstances.
Utilize First Tech's financial education resources to improve your skills.
Stay committed to your budget for long-term financial stability. Celebrate small victories to keep yourself motivated on your journey.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.